Today, I'm diving into a heated debate and trying to figure out who's really at fault when a bicyclist and a motorist crash. Let's break it down. In today's video, we're diving into the often contentious topic of fault in bicycle and motor vehicle accidents, exploring who is typically held responsible. When it comes to bike and car accidents, the first thing that usually comes to mind is a collision at an intersection. These incidents often lead to a heated debate over who is at fault. The answer isn't always clear-cut, as it depends on a variety of factors, including traffic laws and the actions of both parties involved. Understanding these factors can help clarify how fault is determined. The role of traffic laws plays a significant part in determining fault. For instance, cyclists are required to follow the same traffic rules as motorists, such as obeying traffic signals and signs. However, there's often a gray area when it comes to bike lanes, right-of-way rules, and visibility. In some cases, motorists might not be aware of cyclists in bike lanes or might not yield properly. On the other hand, cyclists might not always follow traffic rules to the letter. Determining fault also heavily relies on the behavior of both cyclists and motorists. For example, if a cyclist is speeding or not wearing proper safety gear, this could impact the assessment of fault. Similarly, if a motorist is distracted or driving aggressively, they might be held accountable. The point is, it's rarely a simple matter of one party being entirely at fault. Visibility can also play a crucial role. Imagine a scenario where a cyclist is riding in a poorly lit area at night without proper reflectors or lights. If a motorist hits them, the cyclist's lack of visibility could contribute to the accident, influencing how fault is assigned. Let's consider a real-life case study. A few years ago, there was a notable case where a cyclist was riding in a designated bike lane when a motorist turned into the lane without checking for cyclists. The cyclist had the right of way, but the motorist claimed they didn't see the cyclist. The court ultimately ruled in favor of the cyclist, but it was a close call. The case highlighted how crucial it is for both parties to be aware of their surroundings and follow traffic rules. It also showed that even when one party seems to be at fault, there can be complexities that influence the final determination. The outcome of such cases often hinges on evidence, such as witness statements, video footage, and police reports. These elements can help piece together what happened and who was at fault. To wrap up, it's clear that determining fault in bike and motor vehicle accidents can be complex and depends on many factors. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and check out our next video on tips for safe cycling in traffic.